Jill, where are we right now?
In Florence.
Oh, what is this bridge called? It's called Ponte Vecchio. Apparently it's like one of the oldest bridges. That's all I know. That's all I can tell you.
I thought you had more to say.
No, that's it. That's literally all I have to say. Or is that Ponte Vecchio? That's Ponte Vecchio. No? That one, huh? So I think we have to go this way, we have to cross. And then we go this way. Oh, wait, see that church up there? I think that's the cemetery church. So let's walk this way. Sorry.
I will always get up again. You're looking at me so cold. Get over yourself, are you for real? Why are you looking at me so cold? One's love is now we're enemies. You try to make yourself feel better by taking me down. Once I fell, but now I'm strong, I'm ready for the rematch. Shoot me down, don't you know I get up? Yeah, baby, I will fight. No, there ain't nothing stopping me. I'm bulletproof, I won't fall. I'm bulletproof, go on and shoot me down. I will always get up again.
Jill, but we are at the Piazzale Michelangelo. Yeah, I'm recording. Can I see your beautiful face?
I'm excited.
I'm excited. I think these are the steps. So we're gonna try and go up the steps and try and fly the drone and try and not get arrested. That's the goal. The goal is not to get arrested today, right? Oh my goodness, this is so steep. Good job. All the way at the top. Look at that view. Oh, you can't see that view yet. But you will. Ciao. Almost there. Just one more. We are at the Piazzale Michelangelo here. Right over here. That's the city of Florence. And David. And it's a sunset right now. It's gorgeous. There's Jill. All the way
First night in Florence. We just finished our dinner.
Yes.
When you be mine, I think about us. I know the dawn is for us. I dream about us. I dream.